It's my first time to drive with the trailer behind me. It's my first time. So we'll see.
Okay, the animals are all good. Okay, wallet, keys. And you have it turned on?
It's on.
Okay, Mr. Lakandula is driving the trailer. You just have to double check your mirrors that you're not gonna hit any trees.
Is this going out?
Nope.
No.
He's a seasonal. So,
What?
do you feel any different?
Well, it's still slow.
Oh, and you have low bat on this.
I know. I have a battery in my car. In my bag.
So we are leaving Harrison Hot Springs and we are going to stop at the cheese
place.
the cheese house or the cheese cottage or whatever it's called.
I don't know where it is though.
I'll tell you. Hi, Lucy. Oh, Lucy's tired.
Yeah, you can feel the difference in time. Right? Yeah.
Hello, Cassandra.
Yeah, you can feel it. Feels like you're pulling 4,000 pounds. Hey people, good morning. You can see it's a good morning. Actually, we're lucky now because it was raining so hard. So anyhow, welcome to a new vlog. Welcome to Up Close with Lawrence. I'm Lawrence. Here's my puppy Lucy. Yes, in case you don't know who we are. My fiance Dwayne is just in the liquor store, right there, buying some Baileys. Anyway, we are here in Harrison Hot Springs for several days of camping. We're here in Hicks Lake. Have your camera. So nice. Look how many people there are. Oh, this is nice. And we are paddling.
What's this week?
Huh? Oh, and sorry, take two. And he's paddling. Oh my gosh, look at the big flamingo, Lucy! There's a big flamingo right there. Ah, yes. Oh yeah. So we have the water back there. I think, Dwayne, we have to invest in one of those nice inflatable boats. Hey, baby. Lucy's enjoying herself. She's a captain. wants to go into the water. No, Lucy, can't. Oh, it's busy there. Look at my Lucy. Look at the Lucy. Look at the Lucy wanting to go out. Oh, you want to go out to the swim? You want to swim? You want to swim? Huh? Do you want me to submerge you there? Is that the idea? Is this the idea? Okay, you want to go swim? I'm gonna swim. Go to swim. Oh, go to swim, Lucy. Go to swim, Lucy. Look at her. Look at her. What? You're gonna swim? Huh? Oh, wow. Look at the picnics here. Look at the picnics here. We're still in Hicks Lake. People are paddle boarding, kayak, canoeing, like we are canoeing. And there's a big right there. There's a big flamingo flotation device. Yes, baby. She wants to get out. This is a grassy area for a picnic. And Lucy wants to go out. What do you want, Lucy? What do you want, Lucy? This is off limits. Okay? This is off limits. Look how clear the water is. Look how clear the water is. You can really see the bottom. So we're still in Hicks Lake, just having a small break here. Picnic. Yes, it's such a nice day. So different from Friday. Lucy's there. Dane. Lucy. So we're in Farmhouse Natural Cheeses in Agassiz. Just a quick stopover before going home.
You want goat or cow?
We've been cow for me,
cheese?
yeah.
Or Heidi, or Farmhouse Heidi, but also the Goudas. The Goudas are all on sale. They also.
You want something smoke or
We don't have anything
smoke? Okay.
Well, I'm assuming your farmhouse Gouda is your special.
No, actually, our
Or-
special is our cheddar. Our cheddar and our Heidi are our specials.
Traditional. Hello everyone, another camping has ended. If you like what you just watched, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell. We're just locking up. It takes us an hour to tear down or to pack things up. All set? What can you say? Pilipinas, sarap buhay ko. What can you say?
Do we have to go home?
If given the choice, no.
Okay, well, when we get home, we can check our lottery tickets.
Anyway, goodbye again. See you again soon. Bye. And don't forget, like I said, like I usually say, always be kind to yourself and be kind to other people. Bye. Ciao.